Namaskar, all of you. How are you all? I hope you all are well at your home and you are also doing your studies. It is your computer class for class 8, chapter 5. Chapter name is Introduction to Python, part 4. So, in today's session, we are going to talk about some operators of Python. Before this, we will discuss that what we have discussed in our last class. So, in last class, we have discussed about data types in Python. Some data types in Python like integer, float, string. So these three data type of Python are used to enter any type of value with the help of any type of variable. For numbers we will use integer, then for decimal values we use float, and for string or for any type of text we use string. Okay, so and then we have discussed about additional operator. Addition operator is like plus is the addition operator of Python. If we want to add two numbers, then we use plus operator for this. So in today's class we will going to discuss about subtraction operator. First is subtraction operator. Subtraction operator, you know very well that minus is the subtraction operator. Then multiplication operator. Multiplication operator is used in Python. That is what multiplication operator. The star is the operator which is used for multiplication in Python. Then division operator. So division operator is that slash symbol is used as division operator in Python. So in today's class we will discuss about these three operators. So first of all, subtraction operator. So the symbol minus is used to subtract one number from another number. Okay. In the Python, the enter key after typing each command it shows the result of the command. The difference in each case we can see from the commands. Like if you want to minus from 10 to 7, and if you want to know the difference between like 5 and 10, then what will we do? We use subtraction operator. जब भी हमें टू वैल्यूज के बीच का डिफरेंस पता करना होता है तो हम क्या यूज करते हैं? सब्ट्रैक्शन ऑपरेटर यूज करते हैं उसके लिए. सब्ट्रैक्शन ऑपरेटर इज टू फाइंड आउट द difference between two values. Okay, then second one is multiplication operator. So multiplication, for multiplication operator the symbol star is used to multiply two or more numbers. If we want to multiply two or more numbers, then we use multiplication operator for that. And like if you want to multiply different numbers, then we use star between them. Like if I want to multiply 2 multiply by 7, then we use star operator for that. Okay, then next is division operator. For division operator the slash symbol is used to find out the quotient when a number is divided by another number. So slash is the symbol which is used to divide two numbers. When we want to divide two numbers, then we use a slash sign between them. और डिवीजन ऑपरेटर क्यों यूज होता है? जब भी हमें किसी चीज का क्वोशिएंट निकालना होता है, वी वांट टू फाइंड आउट द क्वोशिएंट ऑफ टू नंबर्स, देन वी यूज डिवीजन operator. Okay, some more operators are there. So next one is modulus operator. So the symbol percentage is used to find out the remainder between a number and is divided by another number. तो जब हम टू नंबर्स को डिवाइड करते हैं तो हमें क्वोशंट मिलता है एंड रिमाइंडर मिलता है. टू वैल्यूज हमें मिलती है जब भी हम टू नंबर्स को आपस में डिवाइड करते हैं. So if we want to find out the quotient, then we use division operator, that is slash, and if we want to find out its remainder, then we use modulus operator, that is percentage sign. Okay, understood? कि जब भी हमें दो वैल्यूज का क्वोशंट फाइंड आउट करना है, देन वी यूज डिवीजन ऑपरेटर, एंड इफ वी वांट टू find out the remainder of two numbers, then we use modulus operator, that is percentage. Modulus operator से क्या आएगा? It will find out the remainder of two numbers. It will find out the remainder of two numbers. Okay, modulus operator is find out the remainder of two number when a number is divided by another number. जब हम एक नंबर को दूसरे नंबर से डिवाइड करते हैं तो दोनों के बीच में जो रिमाइंडर होता है वो मॉड्यूलस ऑपरेटर से आएगा एंड जो क्वोशंट होता है वो डिवीजन ऑपरेटर से आएगा. सो ये दोनों ऑपरेटर्स हम यूज करके किसी भी पर्टिकुलर वैल्यू का क्वोशंट और रिमाइंडर फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं. ठीक है. Then is floor division operator. One more operator is there, floor division operator. So the symbol slash, when you use 2 times slash, then it is what? It is floor division operator. It is used to divide two numbers and express the result as the greatest integer less than or equal to quotient. ठीक है. जब भी आप डबल स्लैश यूज करते हैं तो ये क्या करेगा? ये टू नंबर्स को डिवाइड करेगा एंड जो रिजल्ट है वो क्या होगा? वो सबसे बड़ा नंबर होगा जो या तो कम होगा और या तो बराबर होगा किसके? क्वोशंट के. ठीक है. लाइक अगर आपने किसी नंबर को डिवाइड किया है किसी दूसरे नंबर से, तो जो रिजल्ट हमारे पास आएगा फ्लोर डिवीजन ऑपरेटर से, वो जो रिजल्ट हमारे पास आएगा, वो जो रिजल्ट होगा वो जो है आपका वो इंटीजर नंबर होगा. मतलब वो ग्रेटेस्ट इंटीजर नंबर होगा जो या तो कम होगा और या बराबर होगा किसके? आपका जो क्वोशंट है उसके. ओके. सो इसको भी हम प्रैक्टिकली करके देखेंगे. ठीक है. मतलब अगर आपने डिवाइड किया है किसी भी नंबर को किसी और नंबर से, तो जो मैक्सिमम ग्रेटेस्ट इंटीजर आना चाहिए, मतलब मैक्सिमम ग्रेटेस्ट नंबर जो आना चाहिए वो आएगा, और वो जो है वो या तो कम हो सकता है या इक्वल हो सकता है किसके? क्वोशंट के. ओके. नेक्स्ट इज एक्सपोनेंट operator. So exponent operator is multiplication operator. Okay. So जैसे आपने फ्लोर डिवीजन ऑपरेटर में 2 स्लैश यूज किए हैं, वैसे ही एक्सपोनेंट ऑपरेटर में हम 2 स्टार्स यूज करेंगे एंड इट इज यूज टू फाइंड द एक्सपोनेंट. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ यू राइट 34 विल बी रिटन एज 3 and 2 star means exponent operator 4. So that is the operand of on the left 2 star symbol is raised to the power of operand on the right. Okay. So I will show you this also in the practical, so then you will properly understand that what these all operators are doing and what is the function and work of these all operators. So today we have discussed about the operators which is used in Python. First is subtraction operator, that is used for find out the difference between two values. Then multiplication, that is it is used to multiply the two values. Then division, you know, if you want to find out the quotient of two numbers, then we use division operator. And modulus, if you want to find out the remainder then you use modulus operator, then floor division operator. It is 2 slash, it will find out the greatest integer which is less than or equal to the quotient, and then exponent operator, which is 2 stars. It is denoted by 2 stars, and it will make it the raised to the power of operand on the right. Okay, so these all are the operators which we have discussed in today's class, and please join Google Meet class today, so I will explain you all the operators with the proper practical class. Okay, and do install Python in your computer, so you will do your programs your own, and then it will be make you more efficient in this Python language. Okay, so that's all for today's class. I will share your homework in your class group, so do complete your homework in Interleaf notebook. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay healthy, stay safe, and keep learning. Have a nice day.